Good evening, students. So, today we will discuss a new topic. This is part third of the video profit and loss. Part 1 and part 2 is already posted in YouTube. You can watch it in my YouTube channel. Now, this is the part third of the video profit and loss, and in this part we will discuss about the topic that is sales tax or value added tax. Now, what is sales tax and value added tax? Let us discuss these things in brief. So, sales tax is charged by shopkeeper from the customer on selling price of an item and is added to the value of the bill. The sales tax is paid in a state to the respective state government. Now, what is value added tax? Now, these days the prices of articles include tax called VAT. Different items carry VAT at different rates. Now, the government nowadays introduced a new taxation system which we all know, that is GST, goods and service tax. So, whatever things we buy from a shopkeeper, it includes a tax. The tax which we pay to the government for buying that product, which the amount, the tax which we pay to the government, it utilized by the government for our welfare. So let us discuss few questions related to sales tax or value added tax. So this is my first question. The question is, the cost of a TV set at a showroom was 36,500. The sales tax charged was 8%. Now find the bill amount. Remember students that the tax which we pay is added to the bill or the selling price in which the seller is selling the item. So the cost price of the TV is 36,500. That is the selling price of the TV set. Now we have to pay a 8% sale tax. So how much it will be? So it will be 8% of the cost price of the TV set, and that will be equals to 2,920. So the final amount which we will pay to the shopkeeper in order to buy that TV set is 36,500 plus 2,920, and the final amount will be 39,420. So this is the final amount which we will pay to the shopkeeper in order to buy that TV set. I hope that you have understood the concept. Now let us see few more questions. A color TV, the next question is, a color TV is available at rupees 26,880 inclusive of VAT. Inclusive means it contains the VAT. If the original cost of the TV is 24,000, find the rate of the VAT. We have to calculate the rate of VAT. So how we will calculate it? So let the rate of VAT be X%. Now as we know that the VAT is always applicable on the cost price of the article. So here the cost price of the article is 24,000. The original cost price is 24,000. So 24,000 plus X% of 24,000 is equals to 26,880. So after calculating it, we get the value of X as 12. So the final rate of percent of VAT which we will give to the shopkeeper is 12%. Remember student, the VAT, the percentage VAT which we are paying to buy that article is always given to the state government or the respective government of the state. So here in this case, in this question, the final rate of VAT is 12%. I hope that you have understood. Now let's see one more question. Raman bought a air cooler for rupees 5,400 including VAT at 8%. Find the original price of the air cooler. Now here you can see the rate of VAT is given, that is 8%, and the selling price is also given, that is 5400. Now we have to calculate the original cost price of the air cooler, which is being marked by the shopkeeper in order to sell it. So let the original price of the air cooler be X. So we always know that the VAT is applicable on the original price. So if we have written here 8% of X, that is 2X by 25. This amount we have to pay to shopkeeper along with the original price to buy that air cooler. So the price including VAT is, we have X, that is the original price of the air cooler, plus the VAT amount, that is 2X by 25. So the whole amount is 27X by 25. And that is equals to how much? That is equals to 55,400. So 27x by 25 is equals to 5,400. After calculating it, we get the value of x as 5,000. So if the value of x, that is the price, original price of the air cooler is 5,000, our VAT, that is 8%, is 400. So all total we have paid 5,400 to buy that air cooler. So the original price of the air cooler is 5,000. So students, I hope that you have understood this simple topic of sales tax or value added tax. Have a nice day, student. Thank you. Stay safe at home. Have a nice day. Thank you.